Hello, welcome to the live stream. How are you all doing today? All right, hello, welcome to another great day here. It is Sunday. Making sure everything's working good. Looks like it is. Okay, perfect. Can you guys hear me? Hopefully you guys can hear me okay. All right. Guys, we are talking about Bitcoin today. Bitcoin has gone up a ton, and we are going to talk about it. Thanks for joining us on your Sunday. Today is February 18th. Let's go ahead and take a dive into what's going on today. So, as you can see, Bitcoin is up to $52,347. This is live right now. It's up about a 0.5 percentage point. On the day, it is up about almost 2%. In a week, it's up 8%, guys. Oh my goodness. In a month, it's up 26%. And in 3 months, it's up almost 50%. And in 1 year, it is up 112%. You could have doubled your money in less than 1 year. It doubled itself from 24,000 to 52,000, and overall in 5 years it has 12 times itself. How would you like to 12 times your money? You could have got this company for roughly $3,000 to $4,000 back in 2019. It is now up to 52,000. That is 12,000%. Now, why are we talking about it? What are the predictions for 2024 and 2025? Guys, I found this article very interesting. Watch your eyes, it's a little bright. But there's this article from longforecast.com, and basically they are saying that Bitcoin is going to go up to $150. Now, when is that going to happen? It's going to happen very, very soon, guys. Sooner than you think, okay? Now, it's saying in February of this year, it's going to be as a low of 42,000 and a high of 63,000, guys. So it's going to go up to 63,000 is what it's saying that's going to happen. Okay, it's saying 63,000. It's going to be as a high as of November 5th, 2021. Now, it's saying that in March, it's going to hit 71,000. It's going to be between 55 and 71. And April, 62 to 71. Now, look, by the end of December 2024, we're going to be up 100, or Bitcoin will be up to $100,000 to $125,000. Now, that's pretty amazing. All right. So down here, as you can see, Bitcoin for May, or let's see, for February, that in the beginning, the prices are around 42,000. The high price is going to be 63. Average is going to be 51,000. Okay, there's going to be about a 38% increase in that month. Now, March is going to have about a 14% increase. April, it's going to be a little stale, it says, and then it is going to go up even more. Now, watch this. In April of 2025, Bitcoin's going to start out at $140,000, and it's forecasted to be as high as $173,000. Average being roughly $150,000 average Bitcoin price, April 2025. Now, why am I telling you this, guys? Because it's already doubled once, okay? It's doubled multiple times. It's doubled a bunch of times. But basically, it's doubled in 1 year, has a potential to double again to 100K, and then by next year, it's looking at going to $150,000. That's 3 times your money if you still were to get in now. Now, I don't want you guys, this isn't financial advice. I can't tell you what to buy, hold, or sell. All I can show you is what the market's telling me and what I'm going to be doing to beat the stock market this year. Okay? Be careful. Only invest what you are willing to lose. Never risk more than that. But definitely it's going to be interesting to see. I mean, this is only showing 5 years. 10 years ago, you could have bought this company for like $10. Okay. So Bitcoin right now, we're actually going to show on the max life here. Back all the way down here, it was as low as $300, $200, $300, and then it went all the way up to 15 to 19,000. Do you guys remember that when it hit the 20,000 mark in 2017? I remember that. It was such a long time ago, but I definitely remember that. Very long time ago. Okay, so then they had a huge sell-off to 36, back up to 11, back down to 6, and then all the way up to 62, 65. And then all the way down to 35, back up to 65, all the way back down to 16. Okay, so it's very volatile. You guys need to be very cautious with it. But in 1 year, it looks like the money was double. Now look at this red candlestick here. Thinking it would have went down, it did not go down. Now there are a lot of other great plays in the market right now. There's, you know, you could play off Ethereum, Mara, Riot, all kinds of different plays, and there's probably even a ton more that I didn't mention. I mean, there is a ton more that I don't want to go into much with, okay? But with that said, there is an opportunity for it to continue to grow over time. Hello, welcome. Welcome. Even in the past hour, it's up $165, and it is going down currently. It was 325. It is now it's now lost almost 200 of those points. So what does that mean for us? Well, I mean a couple different things. Showing a trend of going up. Okay, it's making new higher lows and higher highs. Now I would just say definitely lock in your profits, but don't be afraid to hold also if you are in a good spot, right? Because if you bought down in the $38, $37 mark, if you're following the channel, when we called it out, you know, I didn't want to buy. This was at 17 back in 2022. We got serious in this channel, real serious about the channel about a month ago, right? In January. January is here. So it was already at 44,000. We missed a huge amount here for this public account. Doesn't mean I don't have Bitcoin in another account, but on this one, we did miss it because I didn't start the public Robinhood account until January 1st, which was at 16,000. So amazingly, year to date, they're up substantially. I don't normally use Yahoo Finance. I don't necessarily want to get into Coinbase right now at the moment. But yeah, it is looking like it's going up, guys. Now, what does that mean for us? Okay. That means we have an opportunity to buy low, sell high at a higher price. We did this recently in, was it 2 weeks ago? We were able to lock in about 8%. And 8% isn't much, but look, we were able to lock in. We actually was back here at the 38. we got this little markup right here. We've seen it going up. We bought in about 38 and we sold off a week later, roughly around the 43 mark, right when it was about to dip again. And we've been buying ever since, and we've been averaging up instead of averaging down on Bitcoin. So there's definitely potential for it to go up, guys. For all of you just joining in, I was showing you the Bitcoin predictions on longforecast.com. Right here, if you look on the, I guess, left-hand side, it shows February and it shows December. These are the increases. It's showing a 300% increase in July of next year. Now, there could be a reason for that. They're talking about basically taking the dollar away. That's what I've heard. So, I'm not even sure how much I can talk about that. But right now, they're saying it's going to be around 42 to 63 just this month alone. That's a 40% increase. And if you feel like you're going to miss out, they're predicting it's going to go up to 71,900 in March. And by the end of this year, the end of December, it's going to have a open of 115,000, close of about 117 with highs and lows of 110 to 125,000. That's 177% increase in a single month, guys. Okay. Now, remember, this is not financial advice. I cannot tell you that I buy, hold, or sell. All I can tell you is what I'm going to be doing to beat the stock market. There are some links below. Definitely check them out. There's one for our weekly newsletter. There's actually one coming out this evening. So if you sign up before the end of this live stream, you will be able to get that newsletter for this week. When you sign up, you'll also get the previous newsletters that I've already released. We are on newsletter number 7. We're on newsletter number 7 for the year, guys. So I show you my plays, some strategies that you can use to win and beat the stock market, anything from day trades to swing trades. Don't really do any options trading at the moment, but I do have information for anyone looking for more information to that. And at the same time, I'm getting into some other strategies besides buy low, sell high, selling the news, and scalping. I'm actually looking into trading some inverse ETFs and start basically shorting opportunities that I see in the market to make more money and be able to benefit off of that. Now I'm going to be shorting with a reversed ETF, so that doesn't mean I have to take out a margin. I don't have to sign up for any crazy accounts to be able to sell or short stock. It's all going to be through a pretty simple method. So, oh, look, here we go. We got a pullback coming for Bitcoin. This is a stream about Bitcoin. So if you guys want to see any of my other stock market videos, you definitely can. And definitely make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of our future videos, guys. Yeah, we are literally at, like, I think we passed 500 videos or something in our channel. It's quite a bit of videos. I'll give you a number right now of how many we have. I should know this, right? I should know this, but I don't. Hello, welcome to the chat. Welcome to the live stream. Guys, make sure you throw a chat, throw something, an emoji, a thumbs up, a heart, just so that you can, so that I can see that this is valuable to you, that there is some value. We have just shy, we're 12 videos shy of 500 videos on the Investing for Beginners channel. That is so many, guys. Hello, welcome, Daryl Nias. Hello, StarCraft 2 replays, strategies, and more. Second round vintage. Hello, welcome to the live stream. Talking about Bitcoin today. Bitcoin is basically saying there's some predictions showcasing that it's going to go up to $150,000, guys. And if you're just tuning into the live stream, I can show you that in just a minute. on the forecastlong.com, I believe, or you can go jump over there and check it out if you want yourself. But yeah, I'm going to show you that. For all of you tuning in, just getting here, refresh that screen for me so that way you can see the updated information. The links and the description below is going to have the description below is going to have some links, so definitely check that out. So yeah. Hello. All right. Seems like this is going rather well here. Rather well. Let's see. Why am I not able to? Anyways, so yeah, welcome to the channel. We're checking the quality real quick and the chat here. There we go. Now I can see the chat. Very good. Thank you. Can I chat back to you guys? What's this? Oh, hello, Tammy. This is a live Bitcoin on on Bitcoin. There's a prediction showing that it's going to be up significantly. So definitely gonna want to see that. Trying to pull up some other information here. I'm gonna turn that on. Live now. Okay, it looks like we are, it looks like everything's going good there. It looks like I have some poor quality, which is not good. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get out of this. And we'll share my screen with you one more time. Here we go. As you can see, Bitcoin not moving much in the past hour, but as you can see in the past day, it's up 1.26%. And again, Bitcoin is something you can trade 24/7 as much as you want. There is no PDT rule. For all of you who don't know, PDT is to basically stop pattern day traders, or to prevent people from pattern day trading and losing basically your entire account. So what that is you have 3 trades in a 5-day period or in a week, and you can't, if you do a 4th trade, you may be flagged as a day trader and stopped out. Now the only way to get by that is one, have more than $25,000 in your account, and this is a beginners this is an investing for beginners channel, so I do realize that's not going to be the case for some, right? So you can swing trade stocks, so that way you don't have to worry about day trades, or you can just do a day trade, say 1 on a Monday, 1 on a Wednesday, 1 on a Friday, and you'd get 3 day trades in that 1 week. Oh man, so yeah, so with Bitcoin, you don't have to worry about none of that. You can trade as much as you want. I mean, I could buy in right now if I wanted to, just to showcase. So what do we got? $38 here. Looks like it's at quite a bit low point. Let's say we take $30. We review the order. Okay, and submit buy. Done. Now we are in. Okay. And this is just a showcase on a public account that you can do it. It is literally Sunday at almost 6:00 p.m., February 18th. And yeah, we bought $30 in Bitcoin just now on this public account, just to showcase how simple it is and that you don't need a public trading account to, or I'm sorry, you don't need a large amount of money, like $25,000 to trade Bitcoin. You could buy partial shares of Bitcoin. You don't need $52,000 to buy one. You could put in $5. As you can see here, we put in $30. Now, I'm not telling you what to buy, hold, or sell. This is not financial advice for everyone joining in, okay? But basically, this is just showcasing how simple it is and taking the benefits of, well, one, the stock market being closed right now on Sunday, and it's also closed tomorrow on President's Day. So it gives investors that day trade, swing trade, and people who are really active a way to still make money on the weekends, right? Yeah, exactly. So why is this important, and how can you make money as well? Well, as you can see right now, our average cost is $52,409. Now that is significantly high, even though it's at $52,212. Why is that? Well, there is an ask bid price, okay? And as we go to Bitcoin here, you can see the spread: buy at 52,400, or you could sell at 52,34. Now it's a giant spread, isn't it? Okay. Now, why is that? And shows you the difference right here. It's about a $200, $400 swing. Now that's to really ensure people like you and me that we're not having tremendously high scalpers, right? You're not getting in at 52,409 and then in 1 second you're going to be at 52,410 and make $1,000, right? They're going to want to set that just a little bit lower. That way they can ensure that the $200 difference is made up, right? They're going to make sure that they're kind of locking you in. Bid-ask spread is something that is extremely important, not just in Bitcoin, but also it's used widely in stocks. A bid-ask spread is the amount by which the ask price exceeds the bid price for an asset in the market. Now, the bid-ask spread is essentially the difference between the highest price that the buyer is willing to pay for an asset and then the lowest price that the seller is willing to accept. So there is that difference there. If you get for simplicity, say you have a $10 candy bar and you're trying to buy it for $10, you think that's a great value. Well, when you go to sell it, you can't sell it for $10 because people don't think it's worth $10. Maybe they only think it's worth $5. So then therefore you have to either sell it for $5, take a $5 loss, or you wait for it to go to $10 to break even and sell it for the $10 that you made. Now, if you sold it for $15, you would then make an additional $5 on your $10. Okay, same thing with Bitcoin. Right now we're at just a little bit here, not much, about a 12-cent difference. And as it goes down, I could also buy more. Now, what happens if I were to say buy at a specific price? Okay, I want to buy Bitcoin. It doesn't look like it's going to actually let me do any type of a limit order on this, which is very interesting. Usually, oh, right here. Okay, so buy limit order. So I could even put that I don't want to pay that. I'm gonna buy another, say, $30 worth, but I don't want to pay any more than 52,182 now. Then that market price will be 52,364. But my limit price is 52,182. So what if I put 5,200? Still at 52,34. Okay, so until this goes down $360, it'll never buy this because it's a limit order. That's why sometimes it's easier just to do the best price available, and it even tells you what the best price available is. 52,363. Now, if I wanted to sell it, I could only sell it for 51,989. And within that much just time, it's going down. Okay. Now it's down about 15 cents, but not much. That's nothing. And as the live stream goes on, we're able to see it going up and it going down. Now, the hard thing about buying low and selling high in Bitcoin, especially like this, is, well, first off, it moved 26% in a month, okay? 26% in a month. But what's the spread? The spread is 52,409. Oh, wait, I'm sorry, up here. The spread is... I have another $30 available. That's odd, right? Maybe that's a glitch. Maybe I had 60 to begin with. I don't know. But the spread is what's important. So it's at 52,300 and 52,900. So I mean, to say it's a $400 difference, which is about 1%. That means it would have to go up 1% just so you can get out of your buy price to sell it break even. Now, if you hold it for a week, you would actually make, excuse me, with that, even though there's that 1%, you'd still make about 7%. Minus 1% would be 6% in that week, which isn't bad at all, guys. Okay, and that's nothing compared to it doubling in a year and or 3 timesing in a year. Now, I'm not saying that it's going to, but with these predictions here, it is saying that it's possible that it can go up. As you can see, 1% Bitcoin, and it's up $500. And it is going down. I bought at an extremely high point just to showcase on here the effects. And you could buy lower if you want. You could buy at 52. Could have bought at 51. But that's the area where I would have sold. And it's only $30, guys. It's not a heck of a lot. I mean, to some it may be a lot, but to me, I'm just showcasing on this video the potential. See, so $30, 1% of $30 would be, what's that, 30 cents, which isn't a heck of a lot, but it's something. And you don't need $50,000 or $100,000 to invest in Bitcoin, guys. That's the point of this. You could use $5, $10, $20. And it's also cool, you don't have to be in the market. Like, you actually don't have, the market's closed right now because it's Sunday. So you actually don't have to worry about anything. Markets are closed. And so when you don't have anything going on and you want to mess with your account a little bit more, you can totally grow it on the weekends through Bitcoin, buying low, selling high, stuff like that. I do want to get out of here to free up some positions. Whoa, what happened? Whoa, man. We're gonna sell all of this. Sell all. Lose about $1, but not much. And it may even go up by the time the market opens. But basically, I'm going to be taking my $200 from Triple Q. I know this is a Bitcoin prediction, but we're going to go over to some stuff that we're going to be talking about here. A little bonus for all you loyal followers and subscribers out there. So what I'm going to do, guys, this is the plan for this week, okay? We're going to take the $200 right now out of Invesco Triple Q, and we're actually going to play it more of a day trade. Now, I'm not just going to use the $200. I'm actually going to be using more like probably more like the $1,500 that's already in the account, which means I'll probably have to take off a little bit more, but for now we'll probably use 500. And to do what I need it to do, we're going to be doing about 3%, about 1% a day, but there are opportunities to make 3% on plays. So if I buy 10 shares at $50, that's 500 bucks. And then sell that at say 51, 52, that's $15 to $20 profit on 500 bucks. And then the $15 to $20 that I profited from that play is about 1% of the public account of about $1,500. As you can see here, all in all, we are up almost 75%. We have only invested about $800 of our own money, and we have made almost $700 total year to date, guys. This is the beginning of January this year, so that's pretty awesome, pretty incredible. I want to show you guys how I'm doing it. Gladstone, we have 30 shares of Gladstone. We're getting a dividend capture. Now, you would have had to buy this company on Friday. It's gonna markets are closed tomorrow on Monday, and Tuesday will be its record date to get shareholders locked in to get those profits. That's going to be roughly I think it was $2 or $3, $2.50 or $3 tomorrow, and that's every month. So on 30 shares, I'm getting roughly I'm getting $30 a year divided by 12. So I could actually showcase that real quick. 30 divided by 12 is $2.50 a month on this private account, guys. $2.50 a month in dividends on a $1,500 account, but I'm not holding Gladstone. I'm not holding that $300 the entire time. I'm actually taking that money out after I get the dividend capture, taking that money out, getting the $3, and then putting it back into the DRIP program, or the dividend reinvestment program, which is fantastic, because $3 into Gladstone, because this company is only $10. So for every 3 months, this company will actually have one additional share if I were to hold it long term. Now, that is not the case. And as you can see, some of these companies are $400, $500, $600, and yet my equity is half of that or below. Now, the reason for that is because, again, this is a $1,500 account. We did start this challenge in January of this year with $0. Then we started putting in $5 a day into SCHD. I do have videos showcasing my journey on the $5 averaging down challenge on the SCHD here. That's how we're able to have 2.29 shares. And as you can see, we have a reoccurring payment there. If you want to see videos like that, I have a ton of them, ton of videos. Almost had 500 videos on the YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and like so you don't miss out on future videos like this. Now, as you can see, I'm showcasing this because this public account has grown so much that it has a potential, and you have the potential to do the exact same thing. And I'm not saying to copy me by any means. All I'm doing is showcasing what I'm doing to beat the stock market in 2024. Now, guys, I do have other accounts. I have multiple accounts, and I believe you should too. So that brings me to my next point here, and that is to sign up with Moomoo. Right now, you can get 8% on your uninvested cash and up to 15 free shares when you fund the account. So check out the link below so you can get started on your investing journey today. moving on, guys. Okay, so we're talking about Bitcoin, but we're also talking about other things. So Triple Q here is going on to the sell list tomorrow, or Tuesday, if you will. And it's at $200 in equity, which we are then going to use probably Burr, which is 7 shares here. That'll be $300. I may even take a Microsoft out as well. That's about $400. And I may take Berkshire Hathaway away as well, which would bring me to roughly $600 for this. Now, we're doing this because we're moving some money around so that we can play with some other options. Now, what are these options I'm talking about? Well, TQQ, or the ProShares Ultra Pro Triple Q, is something we are going to be watching significantly over the next couple of months to years. So if you're interested in that, definitely subscribe so you don't miss out on these future videos. Now, why is this important and interesting, and what are we going to be doing with it? Well, guys, I've been doing a lot of research over the last couple of months, and as you can see here, ProShares short is actually up 3% in one day. How can we play off of this? Well, with that $500, 3% is 15 bucks. 5% here in a week, and then it's down 17%. So this is not a long hold or long-term trade. We will not be marrying this company and taking it out for dinner. We will pretty much be one night standing this one and then sending it home next to the races. I don't know if that makes sense to you guys, but check this out. Okay, ProShares Ultra Pro Triple Q is up 33% in 3 months. Now it is up almost 20% in a month and down about 5% in a week. It's also down 3% today. Now, what is it? Are you guys noticing that? Do you see that this company went down roughly 2%, but SQQ went up also 3%. So are you saying that anytime that SQQ goes up, does that mean that TQQ goes down? That's what I'm saying, ladies and gentlemen. That's exactly what I'm saying. If you look at the 1 year chart, let's go 3 months here. 1 month to make it a little simpler. 1 month, you see a ascending pattern, an uptrend, a little bit of a stall out with a bottom with another uptrend, bottom uptrend, right? This should be the exact opposite of what we are looking at. 1 month. Okay, there was an uptrend, now there's a downtrend, slight up, downtrend, slight up, downtrend. Okay, it's the exact opposite. Now, why is this? Well, it's going off of a company that I'm basically going to be selling out of. Now, I have traded this company before, and I figured I'd invest in it because it's up 400% max life, and it's also up 150% in 5 years. Why not, right? That's almost like Bitcoin. Almost. It's up 42% in a single year, okay, and about 6% in the last month and a half. Now, why is this important? Well, you can basically buy this company and hold long term if you want, because it tracks the market, okay? The Triple Q tracks a modified market cap weighted index of 100 NASDAQ listed stocks. The listed name for Triple Q is Invesco Triple Q Trust Series 1. Okay, look at this. There's sectors: technology, communications, consumer, healthcare, defensive, industrial, utilities, financial, energy, real estate. But what's the biggest one? Technology. That's why it's shot up so much. All right, that's what you're thinking. Okay, now so then why am I showing you T Triple Q? Okay, well, T Triple Q is what? T Triple Q provides 3 times leverage exposure to modified market cap. Okay, so that means, okay, I actually have a picture here. Let me bring it up because this is important. Okay, if you guys want to make some money, this can save your booty. Where is it? Where is it? I thought I had it. Oh, I did it. I used it on my phone. Okay. Well, basically, it goes up 3 times. Okay. A weighted ETF 1 times 3. Let's see if we can get an image here for you guys real quick, because again, it's important. I want you guys to learn. I want you guys to find value in what we're doing here. Okay. Yeah, it doesn't look like we're gonna really find anything interesting. I will get it for the next live stream. There's a really cool one basically on Webull that showcases exactly what I'm trying to tell you guys. But basically, oh wait, or will it show me right here? Yeah, it will. Okay, cool. So this is a leveraged product. Okay, so leveraged exchange are what this is right here. So now you can do a leveraged exchange on an ETF or ETNs, but over 1 day. Okay, now say this is the regular price. So this is 3 times. So when the triple Q goes up 1% or down 1%, when you invest in T triple Q or SQQQ, you actually will go up or down 3%, right? And so with that said, the market usually does go up roughly 1% a day or down. Look at this one. It's down 1%. So if it's down 1%, which company would you invested in? You would have invested in the Ultra Pro Short Triple Q or SQQQ. Why? Because the overall market is down 1%. This is shorting the market, and so it's going up. You don't need a margin, and you don't need anything special or fancy. You can use Robinhood, Webull, Moomoo, whatever you want. I have links below for all 3. And guys, if you sign up for all 3 accounts, then you get multiple day trades. Instead of getting 3 day trades on 1 account, you can get 3 day trades on 3 accounts. That's 9 day trades a week because you have multiple accounts spreading out your money. Okay. Now back to the bit. Where are we at now? Same thing with Bitcoin. You could do the exact same thing, guys. Okay. Same exact thing. Now it is going down. It's down about $60 now on the live in the 1 hour. Still up 1% on the day. Okay, this would be a good opportunity right here at the 52.077. Looks like it's getting some recent lows right here, the 52.5 mark, which is just fantastic. Okay, so what we're gonna do is I can't say that because that's probably something else. Okay, so we're gonna go to here real quick. Bum, bum, bum. So yeah, so that's how we are gonna play the market. Okay, we're gonna buy some lows, buy some highs, or buy some lows and sell some highs, and just follow this all the way through. And we're gonna do more live streams like this over time. What are we at right now? We're at about 42 minutes. Wow, not bad. Not bad at all. All right, you guys got any questions? I'm gonna go ahead and check on here for any questions. Anybody out there find this useful, then definitely, smash that like button for me. And it'd mean a lot if you subscribe to the channel. If you find value in this, definitely do. And yeah, guys, thanks for hanging out with me on this Sunday night. Pretty cool evening so far. So that's awesome. And yeah, we're just going to be hanging out, watching some Bitcoin, seeing where we can make a few bucks, because today is closed and tomorrow the markets are also closed. So definitely going to be really cool just watching Bitcoin. I have some stuff going on tomorrow, but that's okay. Is this right? No, this isn't right. For some reason, there we go, there we go, there we go. Yeah, one watching now. Very odd. It says SCHD stock average down all year. Oh, this was a day ago. I wonder why it's saying that though. That's odd. It's like it didn't fix my title. Let me try to hit refresh. I'm gonna hit refresh real quick. But yeah, guys, hope you found value in this. Definitely appreciate you guys watching. There we go. It was some kind of weird glitch, phone glitch. Yeah, markets are closed, so yeah, that's really it. All right, guys, thanks for watching. We're going to do some more live streams to come, so definitely subscribe so you don't miss out. And we will see you guys in the next video. Later.